bad situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to various reasons. We need money to spend our life properly by hook or by crook. So if you have a proper skill or if you have a specific skill to earn extra cash, that's good. So on the other hand, I could request to watch this video to start your journey of for make money online easily from any corner of the world. Today I want to share about 21 websites to start your journey that have low fees and low competition. These websites are called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please pay close attention to complete. So let's get started. These are 21 great freelancing sites you don't know with low fees and low competition. First one is called CloudPips. CloudPips is a freelance site that covers a wide range of skills from marketing to social media managers, SEO professionals, developers, designers, and more. It has been serviced over 20,000 customers in multiple countries. Since it has a fairly small customer base and professionals, you will have a higher chance at landing jobs on this site. Give it a try. Number 2 is called Freelance My Way. Freelance My Way is a brand new freelancing marketplace that focuses on 6 job categories including web development, design, writing, SEO, mobile, and data entry. The platform carefully screens every freelancer to accept only the most qualified professionals. A great feature of Freelance My Way is that it requires clients to verify payment and make a deposit before the project begins to ensure that freelancers always get paid on time. The platform charges a 20% fee from freelancers, which is the same as upwork. Number 3 is FreeUp. FreeUp is a new freelancing platform that only accepts freelancers after putting them through a vetting process. This ensures the platform is free of unqualified and cheap freelancers, which means you won't have to compete in bidding wars to win jobs in this site. Instead, you will be rewarded for your skill and experience. Getting into the platform won't be easy, but if you have a good portfolio and experience in your industry, give FreeUp a try. Next one is Freelancer. Freelancer is mentioned because the site is quickly growing in popularity. The site also focuses on featuring only the high quality or premium freelancers. You will find a lot of experienced freelancers in there apparently delivering the job in under 4 hours. In the main selling point of this site. The only downside is its 20% platform fee, which is pretty much the same as Upwork. Container is a freelance job board made especially for copywriters. It includes writing jobs that are regularly updated, covering various copywriting jobs ranging from blog article writing to book writing, resume writing, and much more. After a simple registration process, you can easily apply for these writing jobs without having to get into any bidding wars. ServiceScape is a new but a growing freelance site that only covers writing, translation, editing, and graphic design jobs. It currently has over 80,000 registered clients, including reputable companies. This site is perfect for established freelance writers and designers. You will have to fill out a really long sign-up form to register with the site. Only downside is it only supports PayPal and SEC for sending your earnings. Workwala is a platform that features freelancers from Latin America. If you are a Hispanic freelancer, you should definitely be on this site. I couldn't figure out the pricing system for the platform. Feel free to have a look through this page. Outsourcely. Outsourcely is another new freelancing site that rewards freelancers with amazing features and options. Outsourcely is completely free to use and it lets you keep 100% of what you earn. No platform fees. The site only charges employers for using the platform. Remote.com. Remote.com is a well-established platform with more than 2 million registered freelancers. The platform users an interest in all artificial intelligence technology to match the freelancers with the right jobs and clients. You can join remote.com and apply for jobs for free. Golance is one of the new freelancing platforms that's quickly on the race to fame. Its founder and CEO, Michael Brooks, has quite an inspiring vision for the future of this new site. If you are looking for jobs related to marketing, programming, or web development, this new platform will offer you plenty of jobs to select from. Golance also has a considerably low 10% platform fee. Next one is AngelList. AngelList is another platform to start your journey on this website here. How would you like to work at a startup like Uber or Yelp? Then this is the site you will want to explore. AngelList consists of a massive selection of jobs posted by popular and up-and-coming startups around the world, including remote work. Through the remote jobs category, you will be able to find hundreds of job listings posted by startups looking to hire freelancers, and the best part is you will see what they are offering to pay for the job upfront. Workmarket. Workmarket is a platform that focuses on offering sales, marketing, communications, and other business development services through qualified freelancers. The platform charges a 10% fee, but it will be deducted from the client's transaction. Hired. Next one is amazing feature. Zappos, Al Jazeera, Forbes are only a few the companies that are using Hire to find freelancers. If you are a skilled freelancer, this platform will provide to be qualified, profitable to you also, and on this platform you don't apply for random jobs. Instead, the companies will come to you. The platform charges a 15% fee from the employers, and get this, you will receive a $1,000 signing bonus from the website once you will be 500 hours to a client. How cool is that? Remote OK. Remote OK is a massive job board for freelancers. No need to sign up. You simply find the job you like, click the apply button, read the description, and apply for the job through the contact email. It's as easy as that. Working, not working. Despite the old name, this site actually seems to offer a quality service to freelancers. Everyone from copywriters to art directors and animators can join the site, but will have to go through a review before getting access into the platform. Working, not working is a free for creative. It won't charge a fee from freelancers. Next one is Authentic. Is a job board for freelancers in design, web development, marketing, and copywriting industries. The site features jobs from a variety of respected clients like startups and even universities. You will have to create an account and authentic to apply to most jobs, but some of them will simply redirect you to the job pages of the companies. GitHub Jobs. GitHub is a no stranger to software and web developers out there. This official jobs board has been created by the same team behind GitHub, featuring jobs especially for software and web developers. You can click on a link for more info and apply for a job by emailing the company. No platform fee charged for doing that. Next one is Partimars is a community for freelancers mostly featuring jobs from Europe and Middle East. After registering with the site, users can create a profile, browse jobs, and apply everything from consulting to web design, and even jobs for many can be found on this site. The platform is free to use for both freelancers and employers. However, the site charges a symbolic transactional fee for each completed job. Next one is Fiverr. Fiverr is like Fiverr but for the folks in the UK. Instead of gigs of $5, you will find gigs for €5 on this site. The site is already filled with plenty of gigs from different types of freelancers. Even if you are not living in the UK, you can still join the site to offer your service. I saw more than a few services offered by freelancers in Hong Kong, India, and even the US. The platform fee depends on the price of your gig. For each €5 gig you complete, the platform will keep €1. For each €10 gig you complete, the platform will keep €2. Jobs Presso. Next one. There are two ways to find jobs on Jobs Pro. You can submit your resume to let employers find you. Next, number 2, you can find jobs posted by companies and apply to them directly. Once again, there is no platform fee for this site either. Landing Jobs is a site dedicated to helping you land a job in software development, UX/D design, and video production. You can sign up and apply for a job for free. The platform fee will be charged from your clients. Next one is Pros. Pros is a platform made for freelance translators which has been around since 1999. If you are good at translating languages, you will find plenty of great jobs on this site. Just click on the Jobs tab to find a job and then submit your quit. You will need an account on the site as well. No paying users will have to pay $1 per each quit you post when applying for a job. Remotive is a freelance jobs board that features jobs from highly reputable companies like Automatic, Wikimedia, and Ghost. Web designers, developers, and software engineers can find plenty of jobs on this site. No platform fee involved. The links on the site will redirect you to the jobs page of each company. Looking for freelancing site with low competition? Then be sure to check out my previous lists. So these are the 21 low fees and low competition websites to start your journey. If you want to earn extra cash, I strongly recommend you to increase your skill more and more on specific categories. for ensuring extra cash from online. On the other hand, if you want to earn forever, I cordially request to search on different types of freelancing marketplaces to ensure your extra cash by spending your time. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe before. Please click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.